Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public Facebook page. First, open Facebook and look for the Pages option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, then select Create New Page. You'll need to give your page a name that clearly represents your brand or purpose. Next, choose a category that best describes what your page is about, like local business or public figure. This helps people find you. After naming your page, it's time to add some essential details. Write a concise yet informative description that tells visitors what your page offers. Upload a high-quality profile picture, perhaps your logo, and an engaging cover photo. These visuals are crucial for first impressions. Don't forget to add contact information, such as a phone number or email, so people can easily reach you. Now, let's customize your page further. Add a call to action button, like Send Message or Shop Now, to guide visitors. Take a moment to review your page settings, ensuring privacy options are set correctly and assigning roles if others will manage the page. Once everything looks perfect, hit the Publish Page button to make your new public Facebook page live for everyone to see. With your page published, the next step is to grow your audience. Start by inviting your friends and existing customers to like and follow your new page. Consistently share valuable and engaging content, whether it's photos, videos, or updates, to keep your audience interested and attract new followers. Remember, consistency is key for building a strong online presence. And hey, for an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.